What is one of the largest online platforms you could be taking advantage of right now? And again, it doesn't matter what business you're in. You could be selling jewelry, you could be into real estate, you could be an affiliate, a blogger. It doesn't matter what it is. The question is, are you using this platform? And if you are you taking advantage of how to use it? Hey guys, Eric here from Side Hustle Pursuit, showing you how to find new ways to generate income, passive income, residual income, online, and get ideas of what you can do outside of your 9 to 5. Now, I'm going to show you real quickly what others are doing and that you can actually imitate. It's not hard to do, and once you set it up, it's sort of a rinse and repeat. I'll also give you a little bit of insight how you can come up with new pins to your boards without actually creating them yourself. All right, let's get started. All right, so here we are in Google, and again, I just want to show you some examples of why Pinterest, especially when it comes to organic reach, is such a big deal. I just put in blogging Pinterest, and I want to show you what pops up on the first page. For instance, here, I clicked on this already, but I want to show you how nice that their pins look. And when you're trying to get traffic, the first thing they're going to notice is obviously appearance. This is a company here trying to gain followers. They're trying to get people to come to their site. And you can see their pins look really nice and they're congruent. You can see a lot of blues, a lot of lighter colors. They look really nice. Now, if I scroll over, you're going to be able to see partially, at least, where that website is going to take. You can see right here. So if I click on any one of these here, let's just click on this one. The 6 best SEO tools, drive blog traffic. You can see there is their website here. So, and they've got 43,000 followers. It's a lot of followers. And again, when it comes to organic reach, Pinterest is huge for that. So let's go ahead and click on where this actually takes you. So right away, they're actually giving you the title there, right? And they're leading you to their website. We can read a little bit more about them. So this acts as a funnel, which is great. So now if you were, let's say, in the jewelry business and you wanted to find out what you were up against, you can actually go ahead and see what's, like this example here, I looked up jewelry, but they've got, over 34,000 followers. That's a lot of followers. Now, I would say, and this is my opinion, you're looking at the pins, they look okay, but let's see where they take you. If I scroll over the top, it looks like there's different types of sites here. So let's just click on this one here. Looks like it's going to take you to Nordstrom. So if you click on there, you're going to be redirected to the actual website. Now, again, this works great as an affiliate as well, and I want to show you an example. See, there's their website right there. So you could see that using Pinterest to get organic reach is actually a pretty easy thing to do without paid traffic. Let's take a look at weight loss. This is a very popular topic when it comes to being even an affiliate. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Weight loss Pinterest. They've got 313,000 followers. Tips, tricks, recipes, help you lose weight, stay healthy. Let's go ahead and take a look at some pins. Okay, they're colorful, they stand out. Again, you can scroll over the top and kind of see where it's going to take you. Let's click on this one here, 8 fitness tips. And there's the website there. There's a little bit of detail about it. Wow, I mean, 1 million followers on this Skinny Miss. Let's go ahead and click on this. Be redirected to their website. The point is this, as I'm showing you this, whether you've got a blog or you've got a product, you want to take them somewhere. People like to click on things, but you need to direct them. By doing this, you're going to funnel them into your product, digital product, physical product, whatever that may be. The point is this, as you got to get them there. Pinterest just acts as a great vehicle to do just that. Let's do a quick search for hair products. Now again, you'll notice that I'm putting Pinterest after it, but not in all cases do you have to put Pinterest, and I'll show you an example here. If I just look up candle ideas, it'll automatically give me images that maybe even be related to Pinterest, but you can tell just by looking up this keywords, what's some of the first things I see? Well, right here, 340 DIY candle craft ideas. That's huge. That means if, as far as search engine optimization goes, Pinterest is a site that is a visual site, but it's getting picked up by Google, and it's got its own SEO built into it as well. So if I clicked on this here, and I went on the inside, and I went to the search bar, I could actually use this to get ideas as well. But let's say I sell candles, and I want to see what comes up when I do a search for candles. So I may say candle, and let's see what pops up. So these are the most popular things: candle making, candles aesthetic, candle packaging, candle holders. You can see how that could lead to other things and give you ideas to kind of piggyback
maybe what you're already doing. So if I went to candle holders, and here's what pops up, this may be something that maybe I could add, right? Even as an affiliate. So it just depends what you're looking for. Let's go back to hair products. Let's click on this one here, 900 plus hair product ideas in 2022. She only has 321 followers, and I will say this, in the beginning, you want to add other people's things to your Pinterest so that you give them a reason to follow you. You can add your stuff later, but go ahead in the beginning and start adding things that are related to things of your niche. Let's scroll down here for a second. And again, scrolling over the top, there's a Target product, Sophia Black. Okay, so again, using an affiliate link, what I would say is bring them back to a website where it's a blog or something of a landing page, and putting your site there is going to help you gain more trust, authority, more followers. You can see right here, even at almost 15,000 followers, that's a lot. So if I'm in the hair niche, right, what I would do is I'd say, okay, she's got 321 followers. What I would want to do is I want to go ahead and follow the same people that are interested in the same thing. So I'd follow. And again, don't do too many at one time because there might be a limitation. Just do a few here and there. And again, what that's going to do is let them know that you're following them, and then they may in return follow you. And also look at your pins, look at the boards that you're offering on your Pinterest page. So hopefully that was helpful. I think that you should be taking advantage of Pinterest as an affiliate, as anybody that has any sort of side hustle, because you can really take it and run with it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Leave a comment below. If you're on Pinterest, let me know how to find you. Now, if you decided to make your own pins, you very well could with something like Canva. In fact, even when you go to create the design, you can mention Pinterest and it will give you the right dimensions. Now, in the case that you don't, I do have a suggestion, and you can go to a site like Fiverr. And you can see, for instance, this gig here, 12 pins, and you can see the amount here, but you can see how nice the pins actually look. So if you don't want to go through all the work of actually creating those pins, you can see the nice work here. And you can get this gig for an inexpensive amount and really get the most bang for your buck, especially if you're looking to sell something online. I mean, that's the whole point. You want it to look good. So head to the description box if you'd like. And again, I am an affiliate, but you will be able to get a link to this gig to get your own pins for Pinterest. If you have any questions, I'm here. If you decide to go with the gig, I'll even throw in a Pinterest book for you, ebook. Let me know that you got the gig, and I will send the book your way. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.